o'clock right now, and we are at the gas station getting gas. We have both the beautiful mountain bikes in the back, and behind that is Austin's trailer. And it's Saturday right now, and mainly because Austin had work today, so it's Saturday and Austin had work today, so we're finally going out. We're gonna take the trailer, and then we're gonna take a little, you know, camping trip out in the desert area. And speaking of the devil,
I saw a friend from elementary school, or middle school and high school right now.
you gassed up?
Yeah, we're good. Yep, trailer's full.
Get ice? I'm sorry.
So close.
I know, we're almost there. But right now we're just loading up a little bit later than usual because we had to get dinner. We just ate pizza and he's coming back.
I forgot the ice chest at home. I knew I was gonna forget something.
I mean, it's okay. Can you just throw the drinks in the freezer right now?
We can throw them in the freezer.
Yeah, just do that right now.
Yeah.
Or just throw it. Throw it and put it in the sink.
I know, I'm going to.
Think hard, think smarter, not harder. Austin forgot his ice chest, so we're just gonna throw it in the sink. I saw that on online where you when you're in a hotel room, you put ice. They just have ice, but they don't have, like, some don't have refrigerators, like mini refrigerators. You can put them in the sink, just throw your drinks in there. But that only works if you have two sinks. So we only have one, that kind of sucks. But right now we have two sinks in the trailer, so we should be good to go. But right now we're at the gas station, so we're gonna head over and out in just a few. But right now since Austin's there, I got a new watch. Finally got the Garmin. I know I still have the sticker on there, but finally got the Garmin that Austin has. Austin has the same one right here, and I decided to get one just because since we've been mountain biking more, I don't want to take my phone because I don't have pockets when I'm mountain biking. I only have my phone, and then I put that into my handbag, and I don't like it because it's bulky. So I decided to get the watch, and then I also got this bad boy, which would be great for our future videos, especially for Sedona, if we're allowed to use these. And he got this for my birthday gift, so we're gonna try that out. So hopefully you get to see some in a little bit. Alright, so we just got here in the middle of the desert. How you doing, Austin?
Good. Concentrating.
Yeah, he's concentrating. It's around like 8 o'clock. 9 o'clock. Oh, it's almost 9. And we just got to our campsite, so now we're just gonna take this bad boy out. I don't know if he has a name yet. I've actually never ridden in it. So this will be the first for me. But I'm actually really interested in how he's gonna take this out, because this barely fit into his trailer. He's very concentrated, as you can tell. I want to turn on those lights, but I don't know how to get to it. Okay. Oh, that's outside. Nope, that's inside. Oh, that's outside. Oh well.
Baby.
Yeah.
You wanna grab that flashlight and help me?
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow.
Uh-oh.
What?
Oh, never mind. It's just the strap.
Not quite sure how to get into this. Oh, the door's closed.
Button. Yep.
Oh. That's pretty cool. Is it hot?
No, it's cool. That's normal temp.
Looks like beer.
Right? Drink it. You can come over here. You come over here and you just kind of... Some 91 octane there.
You should just put alcohol.
breeze is just ever so slight, but it's gonna bite us.
Burn, baby, burn.
Oh, that was lame. There we go.
Oh, you can't even see you, but hello, we're on the road. We're going somewhere. I don't know where we're going.
We're just driving.
Can't really see us because it's dark. But enjoy. Good morning. I look like a mess, but good morning.
Good morning. It is super flippin' windy out here.
Sorry we didn't close it last night. It's probably a weird transition from the last clip just because we got in, it was like 11 o'clock when we went to bed, and then now it's 7. Almost 8.
Yeah. So we're up this morning. It's super windy. And we were gonna fly the drone and do stuff like that, but you can't with the wind, so we're gonna get it figured out. But we'll go do some fun stuff and see what we can't get figured out. But for now, we're gonna make some breakfast.
So Austin made some pretty bomb chorizo, and then we're gonna eat breakfast and then clean up, and then we're gonna go for a razor ride, right?
Yep.
All right, we'll see you on the flip side.
Waste my time. Don't say I never told you. Go, get out of my mind. I refuse to be a soldier. Waste my time. Don't say I never told you. Go, get out of my mind. I refuse to be a soldier. Waste my time. Don't say I never told you.
Happy this boy is. Every time he drives it, he has a smiling face.
I'm just locking it down so it don't go nowhere.
It's a big baby in this trailer.
Huge in this trailer.
Okay, apologies for not filming transitions. I know we still need to work on that. But it got really nasty out because it's windy. And
Yeah, the wind noise was awful.
yeah, and our faces are kind of wind burned. So we're just gonna pack up right now. It's around 2 o'clock. So we rode around for like a couple hours. Got to see some cool caves. Austin did great at driving. So we're just gonna pack up right now, and then it's gonna take us quite some time, and then we'll head back, and then we'll see what happens for the rest of the day. I don't know what's happening.
Like a glove that don't fit.
Okay.
And terrible transition goo.
Hello. So we are back home at Austin's house, and what we didn't show you guys was that we went on a bike ride, about a 3-mile bike ride up and down Bell Mountain.
There's some cool trails that have some, it's like a little track over by Bell Mountain that we rode. but it's a lot of fun, and I'm gonna talk behind the camera because I got too much stuff in my arms to turn around. But yeah, our transitions were terrible because we were in such a hurry. We did all this stuff in, you know, 24 hours, and it was tough. So, but we had a lot of fun. We'll see how much great footage we can get. Allison got a drone for her birthday for Getaway, and we tried to use it out there, and there was no internet.
No. You talk.
And we tried to use it out there, and there was no internet, so we didn't. So we wanted to get really cool footage to add into the video, and that didn't happen. So video's kind of eh. And then the wind just destroyed us, so you wouldn't been able to hear us anyways. But hopefully we get something salvageable, and then we're gonna have 1 week, and then Sedona, and then it's gonna be video crazy. So we're gonna prep for that. That's what Allison's doing.
Hello.
I'm gonna make her bike tubeless tonight, and maybe I'll get a video out of that too. We're gonna try. So, but thanks for coming along. Beautiful sunset, and we'll see you guys later.
No.